Okay, guys, we're on day 3 of this trading challenge, which consists of taking this account from $10 to $100. So here's the account right now. As you can see, 2 trades have just been opened even while I was sleeping. This is the magic of futures trading. You can actually program your orders based on what you think will end up happening with the market. This is risky, obviously, because if you're not really sure what's happening, if you don't know the trend as such, if it's bearish or bullish, then this is even riskier. At the moment, I have a slightly bearish trend going on, and because of that, I went ahead and started doing these 2 operations. On the one hand, we have the short trade here in Bitcoin, where I opened this trade at an average price of $61,500. 5,000. The idea is to take profits when it reaches $9,500. I'll probably talk about that again soon, because I'm not really confident about this rise that Bitcoin is having here, guys. And I really have to be honest with you, I think that Bitcoin will go up to $63,000 at most with the strength it currently has. Bitcoin has very little strength in the trading market right now, so I see it as very unlikely that it will hit the stop loss. It's not impossible, it could be. Everything is possible in trading. The important thing about all this is that I wouldn't lose all my capital with this trade. Obviously, I would lose money because, let's see, right now, I'm not actually losing money. It's completely normal, and this is what the charlatans don't want to show you about the reality of trading. With trading, you can have temporary losses, but you can recover the money if you do the trades right. On the other hand, we have the set trade. I opened the set trade. I left that trading signal here in the Telegram group, and here we would have the trade that I set. It's a trading operation that seemed quite conservative to me, especially considering the outlook I had for the last few hours. To be completely honest with you, I saw both cryptocurrencies rising, especially Bitcoin rising because it had fallen sharply. Now, what I would expect is a sharp drop in both cryptocurrencies. And many of you may be asking me why. Well, firstly, because we're in a day that is not really good for trading, and people are probably taking their money out today. And secondly, there is still a lot of fear in the market. That means that people are really hesitating whether to make one trade or another. That gives me a much greater chance of winning this trade, which, mind you, having more chance does not mean that everything is guaranteed. That is why it is important to have good risk management, a good stop loss in case things do not go well. Remember that here in my Telegram group, I leave you trading signals every day. You have the link here in the pinned comment so that you can join the Telegram group completely free. And remember that you can also do spot trading, futures trading, but remember that you charge commissions. Fortunately, you have the link here in the pinned comment so that you can register with the METs so that you are not charged commissions when trading and you can be much more profitable traders in the long term. Isha. By the way, since we were mentioning the Telegram group, guys, here I will be sharing the results of my trades with some screenshots that I will probably send in a few hours. And here's the video appearing on the screen that, according to YouTube, is a pretty good video about trading. So click on it right now to see what that video has prepared for you.